Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing my minimalist makeup collection. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with base makeup, the first one that I wanted to talk about is my primer. This one is from the brand called Heinz, and this is their second skin hydrating primer. I have a combination to dry skin, and this works perfectly, makes my skin look super glass skin, which I love. And then moving on to my corrector. The one that I'm using is from the brand called Easy & Co, and I love this stuff so much because it's very lightweight. It's like a very light moisturizer, which is the perfect formula when it comes to skin corrector in my opinion if you're gonna layer it with some concealer. Now moving on to my concealers, I have two. For days where I feel like I needed some heavier coverage, I use the NARS one, but for everyday, when I feel like I just wanted something to cover some spots but I don't want it to be too full coverage, I use the one from Luna Cosmetics. This is perfect because it's very lightweight, super blendable, but it's not as high coverage as the NARS one. For foundation, I only use one, and this is also from the brand Heinz, and this is their second skin foundation. I'm in the shade Pale. I love this so much, you guys. It doesn't cling to your dry patches, and it doesn't feel like a foundation. It's like you're wearing a very lightweight BB cream, which I really like about this foundation. And it also doesn't break me out, and that's the reason why I don't use foundations, because they tend to break me out. But this one is amazing, and I'm so in love with it, and also the packaging. Moving on to powders, I have two. The first one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and I love this so much. It's very popular, and for a good reason. It really does blurs out your pores and makes your skin look super blurs out. I really love it. And the next one that I have is just a mini Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one I really like for setting my under eye, but for my whole face I use the Charlotte Tilbury one. That's why I just got the mini size, and it's so cute. I can bring this around with me anywhere I go because it's so small. Here's the comparison of my mini Laura Mercier to my full-size Charlotte Tilbury. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. Moving on to blush and contour. For contour, I only use these two. These are both from Wake Make, and this is amazing, you guys. It's so easy to blend. The powder is super duper fine, which I like, and I like the color as well. Moving on to my blushes, I have two from Rare Beauty. I have one in Happy and Bliss, and Happy is in the dewy formula and the Bliss one is the matte formula. I love both. They're very pigmented, you guys, so you have to be very careful when using this product. It's so pigmented that sometimes I find it really hard to control, but other than that, I love this. Moving on to powder blushes, I only have one. This one is from Dior, and this is the Rosy Glow Blush in the shade Pink. This is very popular, and I have to agree with all the reviews because it's really beautiful. Makes you look very feminine and young. It's just, the color is amazing, and yeah, I just think it's so worth it. So worth every penny, and I love the formula so much. Also guys, blushes are one of my most favorite part of doing my makeup, so yeah, look at them, they're so cute. Now moving on to highlighter, I only have one highlighter palette, and this is also from Dior. I was actually contemplating whether I should get the Universal, which is the most popular one, or the Rose Gold, but I'm so glad I opted for the Rose Gold because I love the color. It does have some glitter, but it's not chunky or anything like that. It's so beautiful. I use it as an eyeshadow, as a blush topper, and of course as a highlighter. I think it's so worth the money. Moving on to eyeshadow and eyeliner. For now, I only have one eyeshadow palette. I love this stuff so much. It's so good. But I'm actually on a hunt for a new eyeshadow palette, and I'm yet to find one that I really like. So for now, this is what I'm gonna be using. And then I have this eye pigment from Mizan. I really like this. I don't think I'll ever stop repurchasing it. I think this is my third one at this point. I just really love this glittered eyeshadow so much. For eyeliner, I actually decluttered all my eyeliner except this one. I am such a creature of habit, you guys. I've been using this eyeliner for years now and I don't think I'll ever change. I really like this. It's smudge proof and it's so easy to control. It's pigmented. I love this. I just really love this stuff so much. Now this eyeliner, I use this on my waterline and yeah, I really like it. It's pretty standard, but yeah, I really like it. This is from the brand called Bibia and it's in the shade Linen Beige. So yeah, also you can use this as a concealer, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Moving on to mascara and eyebrow product. For eyebrow, I only have one, and you guys, this is the most affordable thing in my makeup collection, and I can't tell you how many times I've repurchased this. I love this. It's pretty like an affordable but it works kind of product for me, and I just really love it. I just can't live without it at this point. Okay guys, for mascara, listen to me, okay? If you want your lashes to look like you're wearing falsies, this combo, this is it, you guys. And I really love this. I've been using this combo for years now, especially this mascara. I don't even remember. I think this is my first ever mascara that I've tried and I never looked back because this is the perfect mascara for Asian lashes. It's not gonna weigh down your lashes and yeah, I really love it. Try it. Now, for lip products, I'm not gonna be super duper in depth. If you want, I can make a separate video where I swatch every single one of them. But yeah, these are the ones that survived my declutter and I love everything. So yeah. Now for setting spray, I used to never use setting spray. I used to think that they don't work at all, but this changed my mind and I love it so much. This is also from Charlotte Tilbury and the hype is real for this product. It does work and yeah, but it's not like super duper amazing. It works, but yeah, I can live without it is what I'm saying. Lastly, for tools, I have this curler from CanMake. I bought it because it's pink, so yeah, but it works and I really love it. It's so cute. Now for brushes, the one that I'm using is from Judy Doll, and to be honest with you guys, the only reason I got this is also because it's pink. And yeah, but it works. I really like it. They're high quality, but I don't think they carry these anymore. So yeah. Okay guys, that's it for my entire makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section down below, and thank you so much for watching.